Hello my sewing buddies and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, hello and welcome, and thank you for checking out my channel. My name is Aldo and I make awesome sewing projects that is easy to recreate. In today's video, I am going to wrap up the wedding season sewing tutorials. So this is the first dress that I made for the wedding season series. And this is a beautiful organza dress. Let's move a little closer so you can see the detail of the fabric. And I paired it with this bow. I actually got this from Forever 21. And I absolutely love it, and if you haven't seen the tutorial of this dress, I'm going to have the link in the description box below. So for that dress, I will recommend this perfume, YSL or Yves Saint Laurent Parisien. I am not so good when it comes to describing the accords in this perfume, but I'm going to try my hardest. So right off the bat, I can immediately smell the rose and iris. This perfume is powdery, musky, and it's also very floral. To me, the scent of this perfume is like it makes you feel very confident. I feel like this is going to be a perfect garden wedding perfume just because it is super floral and fresh at the same time. The staying power of this perfume is amazing. This lasts forever. Next dress that I am going to be sharing with you, and this is a satin dress. I draped the bodice on the mannequin. And yeah, this was actually my first time draping on a mannequin. Absolutely love the deep neckline and the deep V at the back. I actually fixed it. I added this thin strap right here at the back, so when I wear this, it doesn't slide off my shoulder just because I made it too big. My mannequin is a little bigger on the shoulder, and I forgot that when I was draping the bodice. I added these flutter sleeves, and I also added horsehair on the hem. It makes it voluminous and flirty in my opinion. Let me just show it to you right there, and I actually really like it. I also made a matching bow just because I have some extra fabrics. So yeah, I think it looks really cute. For my perfume recommendation for this dress, this is Coach Poppy, and I got this from Kohl's I think 2 years ago. It used to have a bow right on the cap. I removed it because it's just like it's unnecessary. So this perfume is very sweet. Right away I can smell the sweetness, and it also smells watery. I can pick up like a green scent to it, a cucumber maybe, but I'm not quite sure. And I can also pick up sandalwood. The sandalwood makes it sweet. Also powdery and floral. That will be perfect for spring and summer. And it's also fresh and airy. That is going to be appropriate for daytime wear. I feel like this is a subtle perfume that's not going to offend anyone, if you know what I mean. Let's move on to the last dress. This is going to be my new favorite dress. Oh my goodness, the fabric is so beautiful. It's light and airy, and it's also very feminine. I just love everything about this dress. So it has a sweetheart neckline, little ruffle here, and makes it super sweet and dainty. Right here, it's so pretty. This dress is fully lined. Now let's talk about the perfume recommendation for this dress. For that lovely dress, I will recommend this perfume, which is Chanel Chance Eau Vive. This perfume is very energetic just because you get the citrus right away. It is also very fresh and spicy and also musky, which is I thought is a great contrast with this dress because this dress is very girly and flirty. So a little bit of contrast to the dress is perfect in my opinion. The longevity of this perfume is amazing as well. It can last forever on my skin. If you're attending a wedding, I feel like this is appropriate, especially if you are attending like a summer wedding. It's perfect just because of all the notes that are in this perfume. That is my perfume recommendation to this dress. So anyway, so these are all the garments that I created for my wedding season series here on my channel. So pretty much the whole entire month of June, I was creating wedding related clothings like wedding dress, bridesmaid dress, and wedding guest dress. I also made one dress for my daughter. It's a sweet kind of cottagecore dress that is so nice. I could have added here on the list. You bring down your sweet dress for me, please. I tidied up your closet last night or yesterday. Wow! Wow! The dress flew out of nowhere. It just dropped. This is the dress that I made for my daughter. If you use a different type of fabric, more like a special occasion fabric, this dress could be flower girl dress just because it is so cute. Look, I made this bow here. So yeah, and it has ruffle on the bottom. So yeah, I think I can really add this to here. These are all the dresses that I made for this wedding season series here on my channel. Pretty much I had been sewing special occasion dresses for the whole entire month of June. If you are looking for inspirations or you are looking to make your own wedding dress, bridesmaid dress, or wedding guest dress, and even a flower girl dress, I got you covered. You want to go ahead and check the tutorials for these dresses. I'm just going to have the links in the description box below. So that's it, you guys, and thanks so much for watching. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So thanks so much for watching again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.